Good evening, everyone. I'm Kelvin here, going through this US market trading vlog. Money never sleep with every one of you here today. Okay, so since I'm going to wait for the 3rd minutes, I need some time to get this because Facebook site cannot start the live stream. I don't know why. So give me a second. Try to still cannot. Not sure what happened. This morning was still okay. Let's say I put reset, then copy this stream key. Okay, start stream. So at the moment, you can see from the charts over here. Why I can't stream? Live. Okay, so 25 seconds right now. I don't know why it doesn't. Okay. Oh, still the same thing. I always use the same thing to start. Okay, 54 seconds. So right now it seems like it's quite to the downside. So I'm going for short selling here. So going down is actually pretty strong. So seems like the morning in the US market is starting to go into one direction. So let me check the bit rate over here. Streaming healthy. Okay, excellent from the YouTube side. Again, thank you very much for joining in. Why it cannot start? If I use this, still fail. Oh my goodness. This is the same. Maybe I should try this. So price down. Everything seems normal. Okay. Let's try this one here. I think Facebook site problem, so I can't launch this. How can I share? Wait a minute. Let me share this to our page. Okay, price still going down. I can't do multitask here. Today I need to do a lot of multitasking for the trades. So price is not pressing it down quite much. So seems like it's not going into a trend site. So I think in that case, I will need to take the profit. Oh my god, I clicked the wrong one. Sorry. By right I should be going for short selling, but right now it seems like I entered into the wrong one to a long position. Careless mistake. So this is why I mean like you don't multitask when you are trading. So wait, let's see whether we need to do a cut loss looking at the price movement. So seems like they're pushing up with quite a lot of volume over here. So no, pressing down more volume. So it's not like going down a lot. So in that case, wise, the high volume over here. So it's most likely going to move sideways like this. Let me do a posting here in Facebook site first. Kindly watch US market vlog in YouTube channel. Okay, so we can see that the price is moving up. Volume is higher, so it's a bit the. Okay, so I can come back to here and watch my trades. So again, if let's say you like this session over here, this live stream, do give us a like and also share this out to most of your friends who want to look into US market. And also maybe let me know if let's say you are interested to look into Hong Kong market, then we can also look into it. But the Hong Kong market will be a big clash with my morning pre-open day trading for Malaysia market. So, I'll try to schedule one if let's say there are demand who wants to watch how to trade in the Hong Kong market. Okay. So price is moving up, moving up, moving up. So far doesn't seem to have any of the signals from us that we need to do any of the exit yet. So I'm going to continue hold on to this. So looking at the price movement like this is most likely going into a sideways up and down, up and down. So in that case wise, I'll just use the sideways trading strategies to it. But that's a problem with that right now is that using the sideways strategy is that we might have a problem where entry rules comes in, and then when we need to do the take profit, then we might actually take profit at a cut loss. So that's why it's we haven't really find where to exit earlier, so to avoid that kind of price down. So let's say I take this profit first because the high volume higher than the previous one. So right now most likely it's going down. If let's say it's moving into a sideways, volume build up when it's selling down, that's quite a lot. So I'm gonna go for a short selling first for this because it's a sideways strategies over here. So it's different from those like trend going into one trend moving up higher and higher and higher. So whenever the volume is higher than the previous one, so it's, if let's say the price is not moving up anywhere higher, like saying what is going on in this candle right now, volume is high, but price is not moving up or going down. So, but before that, in a very short term, the price is actually at the moment of moving up higher. So with such a high volume actually comes in, the price don't move up higher. Basically, it's telling us that selling pressure is strong. So we do see selling pressure coming in, right? So right now, the next candle, let's see. Today, very good profit over here at the moment, starting with a $40. Let's see, how does this go? The problem right now I'm encountering for this US market trading is let's say right now the price is really moving up higher and I'm at the loss of $50 over. So when should I cut the losses? Because you can see the profit that I'm making in the previous trade is only $40 over. So right now I'm losing about like, potentially I actually lose about like $50. So I'm still at a loss. So this is something that is, is bothering me right now. So not knowing when to, do an early exit. Because I'm not going to use the traditional analysis or chart, looking at the chart of it, because those are more of it's even later. I find it might actually trigger much more later exit signal, because those are more like they are trying to technical analysis. Traditional one is more like using the indicators, is looking at the mean, or you can call it the average of the price and the volume. So the stock market doesn't go that way, because it doesn't go like averagely, okay, the price goes like this, then this is the average price is the support or is the resistance. It doesn't go that way. It's either at that time the big boys that are selling, so they are keep on selling and selling and selling, or they are taking the profit again and again and again. So that is actually what it costs, tell us that is not the price is not going to move up or down. All right, it's moving up higher again, so I think this is it. You can see right now losing about 80 over USD. So I'm actually at the loss of 60 over dollars right now. $60 right now. Let's see. Price pushing up is not that aggressive. Let's see. No point. Just take the profit and run. Sorry, cut the loss and run. So you can see losing $80. This is the problem here. I need to solve this. Where the price is first thing, the identify the problem right now is that we do not know whether it will continue to move up higher or it will go down lower. So looking at the 1 minute chart itself, it doesn't provide us any clue of it. Either we can choose to avoid when the price is going down, avoid going in for going into one direction, avoid going against it. But if let's say we go against it, okay, so right now high volume over here, so most likely that they will have a retrace that is come in. So you just wait for the but if let's say wait for the confirmation, then it goes down, just goes down slightly, then it's not. The confirmation also doesn't tell any clues of it. So let me analyze it either from the buy sell queue, the price movement of how many orders are coming in, but I can only see one orders. The rest of it is actually closed. It's not able to see that. So let me try to, I don't know, I need to get a trading account. I really need to get a trading account to look into it, the real trading account. So high volume followed by, what I usually see is that if let's say a high volume and then followed by with the price is not moving up after that, so that is usually showing the sign of going down. Do a short sell here first. This is from my observation. It might not be right all the time, so it doesn't tell me like the reason behind. The reason why I don't set a stop loss at certain prices, because I want to avoid that kind of chance, like when it hit that price and then it cut loss and then the price goes down lower. So I prefer to see it at the end of each of the candle. But if let's say I want to do that, I need to find something that it tells me how do I know that the price is not going to move up higher. So either if let's say we zoom out to the pricing 5 minutes to look at it, and then to know whether the price is going to move up or down, then we need to look into the 1 minute. But if let's say looking at 5 minutes, it's more like they will move the price up high. So this is bad. Let me just wait. There's a lot of upper shadow here is formed. Push up, throw down, push up, throw down. It's just the beginning of it. So it's more like an indecisive here. Can anyone give me more data? I need to analyze the data, like each of the transaction that it comes in, how does it comes in. Then from there, I can see much more from it. Of course, I have downloaded one, but there's a delay. The, what do you call, the market data, everything is actually delayed for demo account. Okay, so right now the price is actually moving downwards. So just need to watch and see how far they can go. Because sometimes it can go down lower and then it start to move up higher. Because right now the volume is getting smaller and smaller. So you just need one price to close higher than the previous one, then it will move into one direction, into one of the directions. Looking at this one is actually close lower than the previous one. So far, it's more decide to, seems like it's going down. But the selling down is not that high because we don't see like very aggressive price down, 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 down. Okay, now it's coming in like this. So we have about $80 to cover, $80 to cover today's losses. One thing just to share with you guys, never chase after the losses that you have made. Okay, so if let's say you are chasing after that, then most likely you will get, you know, stuck, trapped in that stocks. Wait, if I put live trading for this, log into live trading, it would be easier. Maybe I can see the updated, the real-time data. Okay, this is the one. Let me put one side first. Block my way. I don't want this simulated one. It's hard pressing down. Volume higher the previous one, price not moving up higher, so I'm just gonna stay this for a while. See, this is the problem here. When the price is down, by the time the signals comes in, so the entry signal and exit signal that I am having right now is slow. So I need to find a way to look into it that it provides me not so slow kind of data. It's half an hour difference. I don't want to go simulation. How do I log out from this? Just close this one first, log off. Okay, just sit for this one. I'm going in for a long position. Why? Because right now is in the uptrend. So uptrend, retrace, and then the entry rules comes in. So it's more towards like upwards of price movement based on the experience that I look into it for the last few months. Hey, trading account. Not really fair sometimes that you provide the, I mean, it's in a way, why give a data when you can give something, two factors available, blah, 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 and user agree, or okay, proceed. This is another platform over here. Let's see, I want to look into, couldn't load monitor, market watch, charts. Wow. There's too many information for this. Let's see. So I click on Google, I mean Apple. So I can see the charts here. Okay, right now price moving up because, so I'm just gonna hold it for a while, let it move up higher while I am looking at the new platform over here. I'm not looking into this. Oh, I just linked to here. This. Okay, can right now. So I have this. This is in a daily chart. I want to look into 1 minute charts. Oh my goodness, why is it still a delay? This is a real account, how can you give a delay? Or did I set something that is not right? Let's see, show last price bubble, data box, show price graph, synchronize crosshair, no. Price axis, high low. So far no exit rules yet, just wait. Then time axis, aggregation period, expansion rate, time interval, 1 day, correct. Favorite time frame, appearance, equities, price special. No, it doesn't have any of it. This is 1 minute, which is, you can see right now. I can show to you guys. You can see right now, TradingView is already trading at this point, but this is still at this over here. Delay 20 minutes. Stops. Everything delay 20 minutes. How do you trade with delay 20 minutes? $8.20. No, can't use this. There's a delay to it. So when you do day trading, you can't have any delays, right? High volume, volume up. Okay, so right now, I'm just gonna get out from this first. The reason is because this is showing some sign of reversal right now. Because the price up here, it used to be this long to, this kind of price moving up. And then from here, when it reached to the second one and then the price start to have a retrace, is shorter than the previous one. So it's actually telling us that there might be a reversal is coming in this stock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a short selling at this here first, as the price is actually close over the previous one. So right now, let's see. Most likely just be ding dong, ding dong, ding dong at this point for some time before it move to anywhere. So we have about another $60 to cover the losses. Using the previous high as a cut loss, no, because okay, at the end of the previous candle, price not really move up much. Let's see after this, how does it go? I don't know what's the news about in the market right now, because I try not to read news that will give me a lot of noise. So let me share with you guys, this month onwards, this session will be mainly on Monday, and unless there's any public holiday in US. And of course, for those of you who are interested to look into Malaysian market, then morning we have the day trading site for Malaysian market. You can have a look into it if you want to find out more. That one is not the testing vlog like this. That one is really, we look into the market because I have the trading strategies to look into it. So feel free to have a look into it. Let's say you have a Malaysia account, Malaysia stock market account. So it will be much more interesting. I wouldn't say much more interesting. It's about the same. Just that this one over here, this session is mainly to find the right trading method, trading strategies for US market. Okay, so let's continue to look into it. So far, which I'm confident of my trading strategies right now is the price, how to identify the reversal in the 1 minute trend, okay, and how for the reversal, and then how to identify like just that basically. But still not enough, because like I say, the problem right now is that the entry I move in, and then how do I know that I have to wait? I can wait and hold for it to let the price move up higher, or I need to cut loss at a time before the losses actually gain more or moving up higher my losses. So that is the very important questions, the problems that we need to solve before we can actually move into a real account. And looking at the price movement, comparing with the Malaysian market price movement is huge different, because in Malaysian market price movement, but of course Malaysian market 1 minute chart, it won't be like this. 1 minute chart will be a bit dash, gap up, dash, and then up. So these are the main difference from comparing to the Malaysia. Take the profit first. $24. Because a sudden price push up like this, such a high demand that is coming in, is we cannot ignore that. So we have about like $40 over that. I'm just gonna wait. Let's see whether the price is very close to the previous one. If let's say we look in the daily charts. Oh, I did so many of trades. This kind of price movement, most likely they'll just keep on pushing up higher for a day, during the day. But in between the day, there are trading opportunities like this. So we do see high volume actually comes in. So what I'm going to do, I'll just move in first, but I have a concern that is this might be a trap where they trap the buyers, they trap the short sellers, and then they continue to throw the price down lower. Even though we see there's a very high volume that comes in to push up the price, no, just wait for it first. I'll just do the cut loss right now. $30 over dollars, give it. Because seems like it's suddenly price push up like this, definitely there are either some news are coming out for these stocks. Let's look into others and see whether, oh, Apple also have this. Nvidia also have this. So I think some news is coming out. So usually if let's say news are coming out, I won't trade it until 1 hour later when it starts to settle down. Okay, so usually like maybe half an hour, then it will form a direction whether to go up or go down. So right now, usually if let's say the news are come out, then the price will just move up and down, up and down. So avoid trading anything when there are any news that is coming up before the news come out, because the stock price will just not going anywhere. Like what we see over here, slowly move up, slowly goes down, slowly move up, slowly goes down. Okay, so let me try to find the right trading platform for it, because those 20 minutes delay, all those are too, we cannot use that to trade if I say we are doing day trading. Okay, all right, so that's it here for today. Thank you very much for joining in, and I hope you guys like this, and give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Okay, I'll see you guys again next week. And of course, if you want to find out more about our trading course for Malaysian market, then we will have the upcoming training course on this. The intake starts on this Saturday, so starting on this Saturday. So if you want to find out more, you can actually ask us, and then we can do it a monthly subscription on it. All right, so with the lowest subscription price, you can actually start to learn how the big boys actually operates in the Malaysian market. All right, thank you very much. See you guys again. Good night.
Wrong and search. True the market.